Presenting the 2012 Buick Verano. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, remote start, steering wheel controls, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, child safety locks, cruise control, a trip computer. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
We're sure you'll appreciate our attention to detail in owning a GM certified pre-owned vehicle. You will receive coverage for 60 months or 62,000 miles from the original in-service date. The CPO program includes a maintenance plan, roadside assistance, and a customer satisfaction guarantee that includes an impressive 172-point inspection.